Hello everyone, I'm Carly Stevens and today we will be talking about top 10 digital storytelling apps for grades K through 6. The objective for this topic is we'll be exploring a variety of digital storytelling apps for grades K through 6 and learning about different ways to incorporate them into your instruction. Okay, so some of you may be wondering, what is digital storytelling? Well, digital stories are multimedia movies that combine photographs, videos, animations, sound, music, text, and depending on the app that you use, you can often use your own voice to narrate the story. Digital stories may be used as an expressive medium within the classroom to integrate subject matter with existing knowledge and skills. This little snippet that I got from edtechteacher.org, which is a great website full of articles, blogs, information. It says digital stories allow students to take a linear series of events and turn them into a multi-dimensional experience. Usually the apps offer a wide variety of tools and apps that exist to create these projects, and all of them enable students to gain a deeper understanding of history as they explore the most effective way to retell it. So this is a short little YouTube video of a class that is explaining what digital storytelling is and ways that they use it in their own classroom. So it's a great watch. Okay, the first app that I discovered I was not familiar with at first. It is called Storybots, starring you storybooks. It is actually from the same creators as Elf Yourself, which some of you I'm sure are familiar with. This app allows kids to star in their own storybooks. The app, however, does lack sound and interactivity, but the storylines are very appealing, and photo creates a great practice opportunity and motivation for kids to read. It's very simple to use. You can add your own child's face and name into personalized books, video games, and more. The price is free, which is great. Pictello, I had heard of this one, hadn't played around with it yet. It's a digital storytelling app that allows you to create social stories, visual schedule, which is great for educators. Not just a simple schedule or a boring schedule posted up on the wall. You can actually create an animated visual schedule for kids to look at. It's great for children with autism. Some features include multiple languages, which is great for your EL students. You can record your own voice, add your own photos. It is $19.99. It's a little pricey, but there's plenty of features and ways that you can use it into your own classroom. Okay, the next one is Puppet Pals. It's a very popular app. It's a storytelling app that allows kids to create their own unique shows with animation and audio, so that digital storytelling is simple, and it is a very simple app to use, which is great for your elementary grades. Children can write their own scripts around original stories or demonstrate knowledge about a particular topic. Some features include zoom and rotate, use your own image and photos, and it offers a wide variety of creative characters, and best of all, it's totally free. Okay, Kid and Storybook Maker. I was not familiar with this one. It offers 20 story templates, which covers a variety of practical and fanciful topics, from promoting good hygiene by washing your hands, to a playful exploration of emotions and facial expressions, to a fantasy visit to San Francisco. Create and share customized picture storybooks with photos of your child or others as the main character. There is a free version, and there's also a $6.99 version that offers more story templates and better features. Okay, the next one is Scribble Press. It's a very simple app to use in your classroom. It's very kid-friendly. It allows them to create a book, a publication app. They can write and illustrate their own stories and publish them online or print them. It offers more than 500 writing and drawing tools for your kids to get really creative. Some story templates that is in the app include If I Ran for President or My First Day at My New School. The students' work can be published publicly or privately, which is great. And printed copies can also be ordered directly from the app, which is also another great feature. The price is $2.99 to $4.99, depending on which one you buy. Okay, Storybird is another digital storytelling app. It's very simple. It's free. You can turn any simple image into a very creative and fresh story. Okay, Show Me Interactive Whiteboard. It's a very popular app too in digital storytelling. This is a great app for teachers to use. You can use it for, anything in your classroom, from using it to promote your classroom rules to your morning messages. It's very, very simple to use for teachers or students. There's a feature called Groups in the app, and allows teachers to share their Show Me's, interact with students privately, which is a great feature. A teacher with Show Me Premium subscription, which is $5.99, can create an unlimited amount of groups and invite their students. And the best part, students can join the groups for free, so it's no cost to them. Okay, the next one is Toontastic, which is also a popular app. It is a storytelling and creative learning tool that enables kids to draw, animate, and share their own cartoons with friends and family around the world. I know students in the elementary grades love cartoons. They can actually create their own cartoons. They can tell a story, record their own voice and animations. Some ways to use it: allow students to create breaking news reports, video game designs, family photo albums, and so much more. The price is free, which is fantastic. And there's actually already 2 million cartoons created in over 150 countries. Parents and teachers rave about this app, and kids can't stop creating with it. So Tell About This. This is another one that I was not familiar with in the past. It's very simple to use as well. Kids will love to explore and respond to any of the 100 interesting photo prompts using their voice. Some features include text highlighting, voice prompts, save and share, and it actually allows you to customize questions and prompts, which is great for teachers to use. Okay, Telegami. I was very familiar with this one. I have downloaded it in the past. It allows you to create a Gami. You can completely create it from scratch or use one that they already have in there. You can give it your own voice, create a thank you message or vacation postcard. You can even create a birthday greeting, a party invite, or just use it as a cool way to share photos. So 3 little simple steps to create a Gami. You customize the character, choose a background, record your own voice, or type a message for the character to say. And then you can easily click the share button to share it on Facebook, Twitter, text, or email. Okay, this is another short little YouTube video of a teacher using Telegami in her classroom. She just created the character to look like her, gave it her own voice to tell about what the class will be doing that day. Okay, some scholarly articles that I found about digital storytelling apps. The first one is Engaging Students in Traditional and Digital Storytelling to Make Connections Between Pedagogy and Children's Experiences. A couple takeaways that I got from this article was digital storytelling activities offer students an opportunity to make authentic connections between their experiences and academic content. Also, you can use the stories to teach basic concepts in a classroom while encouraging your students to write, illustrate, and perform their own stories. This little QR code, you can scan it and it'll take you directly to this article. Okay, the second article that I found, and again, scan this QR code, it'll take you directly to the article for more information. A couple takeaways that I've got from this article. Digital storytelling allows students to use the learned information with stories and associate it with daily life. Digital storytelling is a powerful instrument to create more interesting and enjoyable learning environments, which facilitate association with daily life, allow for effective learning and participation. Okay, a couple ways to use digital storytelling apps in your own classroom. For example, in science, you can use digital storytelling app to create an animated replica of a plant or animal cell. You can use your own voice, allow the students to use their own voice to tell about each part of the cell and the job that it's responsible for. So instead of just having a pre-drawn replica of the plant or animal cell, they can actually make an animated replica of it and even use their own recorded voice. In history, you can I actually saw a classroom use digital storytelling to recreate historical figures. They actually took a president, and the teacher allowed the students to recreate that president and record their own voice to tell about that president, where they were from, all about them, which was, the kids loved it. In reading instruction, the possibilities are absolutely endless. You can allow your students to create a story using a given prompt, allow students to record their own voice while reading along to a book, and so much more. In math, you can allow students to write out or act out a song about shapes and numbers. I know students love to create their own songs. Allow them to create a rap about shapes. Okay, little activity. So using one of the previous digital storytelling apps, you can create a short 1 to 5 minute story of your summer plans. Okay, so it needs to include a title, a character or characters, a background image. So for instance, if you're going to the beach, make it a beachy theme, maybe the ocean. And then you can record your own voice or use tools within the app to create subtitles. Okay, so some resources that I used for this project was the App Store. It gave me plenty of information about each app. YouTube. There's 3 little sites that I found were very interesting and very helpful. One of them is techlearning.com, and it is right here. It gives tons of blogs, all things about technology, latest news about technology within your classroom. It's great to use. Okay, and then the next one is edtechteacher.org. This is another great one to use. It offers plenty of resources, blogs, app recommendations for your classroom. And when I went into this website and typed in digital storytelling in the classroom, it gave me this page full of information about digital storytelling examples, media resources, all about it. Okay, and then my third resource website is elearningindustry.com, and as well it is a great tool to use. Blogs, it actually even has job postings, tons of articles to read. It even gives events around you and tells all about digital storytelling. So that is it for digital storytelling apps.